Hey guys, so ever wondered why it feels like when you're growing spiritually, temptations and struggles just become stronger and more? Well, you now have the devil's attention because now you have actually applied the truth. Seeking God diligently. Have developed a discipline where you have dived into the Word and you have experienced a renewing of the mind, and you now have the devil's attention. That is that. But remember, you won't be tested. God won't allow you being tested or allow things for you to go through that you can't handle. He's our Father. He's our loving Father. So when those tests and temptations come, just apply James 4 verse 7. Resist the devil and he will flee. Take that with you today.